I believe every family deserves the opportunity to build generational wealth and protect their legacy. My goal is simple: to help families discover the opportunities I wish someone had shared with me years ago. That's why I created this series. Welcome to Family Banking and Generational Wealth. I'm Frank Lomas, and this is episode 3. Life insurance isn't one thing. Let's get started. One of the biggest misunderstandings about life insurance is believing that it's just one product. Well, it isn't. Saying I have life insurance is a little like saying I have a vehicle. Well, what kind of vehicle? Is it a sports car, a pickup truck, an SUV, a moving van? Well, they all have wheels, but they're built to accomplish very different jobs. Life insurance works very much the same way. Different types of life insurance are designed for different purposes. None is automatically good or bad. The key is whether the type you own matches what you're trying to accomplish. So let's break this down. The simplest type is term life insurance. Think of it like renting protection for a specific period of time. You choose a number of years, perhaps 10, 20, or 30, and if something happens during that period, your beneficiaries generally receive the death benefit. For many young families with children and a mortgage, term insurance can provide substantial protection at a relatively affordable cost. Its primary purpose is to protect your income during the years when your family depends on your paycheck. Then, there, then there's permanent life insurance. Unlike term insurance, permanent insurance is designed to remain in force for your entire lifetime, as long as the policy requirements are met. Within this category are several different types, including whole life, universal life, and index universal life. Each one works differently. Some focus on guaranteed benefits, some offer greater flexibility, some include the opportunity to build cash value over time. That's why it's important not to group them all together. Here's what most families don't realize: life insurance isn't always about replacing income after someone passes away. Depending on the type of policy, it may also be used to help with estate planning, business planning, leaving an inheritance, creating financial flexibility, or addressing other long term family goals. Again, the specific features and benefits depend on the policy design, and not every policy is intended to do every job. Think about it this way: imagine opening a toolbox. Inside are a hammer, a screwdriver, a wrench, and a tape measure. You wouldn't criticize a screwdriver because it doesn't pound nails, and you wouldn't complain that a tape measure can't tighten a bolt. Each tool is designed for a different purpose. Life insurance is much the same. Different policies solve different financial problems. One of the biggest mistakes families make is assuming that because they've heard something negative or positive about one type of life insurance, that opinion applies to every type. It just doesn't. That's why education matters. Instead of asking, what's the best life insurance or what's the best insurance, a better question is, what am I trying to accomplish? Am I protecting my family's income? Am I planning for retirement? Do I leave a legacy for my children or grandchildren? Am I looking for flexibility? Or do I simply want guaranteed protection? The answers to those questions determine which option are worth exploring. There is no one size fits all solution because every family's goals, budget, and circumstances are different. The key is to understand the purpose of each type before making a decision. As we continue through this series, we'll take a closer look at several options, explain how they work, and discuss situations where they may or may not make any sense at all. My goal isn't to convince you that one type is always better than another. My goal is to help you understand the differences so you can make an informed decisions for your family. Because when families understand how these financial tools work, they're far better equipped to build wealth, protect what they built, and create a legacy that lasts for generations. So, once again, thanks for watching. And if you found this episode helpful, please subscribe and share it with someone who could benefit from it. It helps more families discover these conversations and supports the mission of helping families build generational wealth and protect multi generational legacies. To learn more, watch the full Family Banking Generations Wealth series here on my YouTube channel. If you'd like a complimentary family legacy review, Click the link below in the description below. Click the link in the description below or in the first pinned comment to schedule an appointment. You can also leave a comment or message me with the word legacy. I'll be happy to point you to the right direction. Until next time, keep building wealth, protection, and family and creating the legacy that lasts.